For the first time in 15 years, local Catholics have a new leader of the church. That is after Archbishop Dennis Schnurr announced his resignation over concerns about his health. Mike Schell was there for the introduction of the Archbishop designate and joins us live from the Cathedral Basilica of St. Peter in Chains with more.
Tricia, the bishop that Pope Francis appointed to replace Archbishop Schnurr is 57-year-old Robert Casey. He comes to Cincinnati from Chicago, and he provided some insight on how he will lead his congregation.
Archbishop Schnurr, we thank him from the depths of our heart for his long service to the Archdiocese of Cincinnati.
Before Archbishop-designate Robert Casey was introduced, the Vicar General of the Archdiocese provided an update of Archbishop Schnurr's condition.
He was in the hospital for lumbar region surgery and has now been transferred to rehab. And hopefully, as time goes along, will regain his strength and be able to return to his duties.
Pope Francis accepted Schnurr's resignation on Wednesday, 1 week after his surgery.
I come to Cincinnati this morning with a heart humbled and grateful.
Archbishop-designate Casey will lead nearly 440,000 Catholics in the 19-county territory, to include 199 parishes and 108 Catholic schools. Casey addressed some social issues that the church has faced, including sexual assault against children. In 2021, St. Ignatius pastor Father Jeff Drew was sentenced to 7 years in prison after pleading guilty to raping and sexually abusing a 10-year-old altar boy multiple times. In 2018, Casey himself was accused of sexual misconduct of a child. Authorities in Illinois investigated the claim and determined that credible evidence did not exist to support the allegation.
I know that a number of priests in the church today live with that worry, that panic, that very easily they could find themselves facing a false accusation. And I think, too, that's also where, as an archdiocese, we have to pay attention to our policies and procedures.
Archbishop Schnurr said in a statement, Archbishop-designate Casey is highly regarded by the people and priests he serves, and I am pleased that such a good man will be shepherding the people of the Archdiocese of Cincinnati. As for the allegation against Archbishop-designate Casey, the Archdiocese released a statement from him where he said, quote, "As a consequence of this false allegation, I realize that I will have an asterisk next to my name for the rest of my life. There will be those that judge me because of this." Casey went on to say, "When I said yes to the appointment of Archbishop of Cincinnati, I had to be at peace, knowing that my call to serve the church is greater than the asterisk." Live downtown, Mike Schell, Fox 19 Now.